right. We have another Tia's Kitchen. What do we have here today?
This is turkey pot pie.
Okay.
I had some leftover turkey from Thanksgiving.
Okay.
And of course, instead of tossing it, we're always going to salvage and repurpose.
Okay.
So, first thing I did was took the turkey and make sure it's all shredded up.
Okay.
Spray your cooking dish. I think this is like a 13 by 9. I'm not sure.
Okay.
But anyway, that size cooking dish.
Okay.
And I have a can of biscuits.
All
of
right.
course, my garlic and herb seasoning that I get from Gordon's all the time.
Okay.
It's already pre-mixed. Can of peas, corn, cream of chicken, and bouillon, which I only use one.
Okay.
Garlic, I would say maybe a couple teaspoons.
Okay.
And butter, and of course spray for the pan, and milk.
Okay.
1 can of milk for the cream chicken.
Okay.
So then I mix it all up in here with the corn and peas and cream chicken and the milk, and then put the seasoning in here.
Oh, nice.
And then inside of the skillet, I cook the onions, the bell pepper, and the celery and garlic together.
Man, that smells good too.
With a little bit of butter.
Okay.
How much butter, that's your preference, but this isn't a healthy meal for us. So I'm going to put butter.
Okay.
So then after I mix all that up really good, I take all 3 and put it inside. And then I take the can of biscuits and put it on top.
Okay. Well, we will see what it looks like when you get it all together.
Okay.
All right. All right, let's see what it looks like before it goes in the oven. Okay.
So everything is mixed.
Uh-huh.
The turkey, the peas, the chicken, creamy chicken, everything's all mixed up. So I had a can of biscuits. I took the can of biscuits and put it on top. I ended up cutting them in half.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Maybe this can, it was weird. But maybe this can, I don't know, didn't have enough biscuits or something, but I wanted to fill the whole thing up. So
Okay.
that's to your own discretion. You don't have to cut them up. That's just something I did to make them all I want more bread than anything to be everywhere. So.
Right. Okay.
Okay. So that's it. And then I take it and I just put it in the oven on 350
All right.
in about 30 minutes.
Okay, we will see. All right. See what this pot pie looks like coming out of the oven. Oh, man. Look at that. Wow. Test time. Time to see what this pot pie tastes like. Oh man, look at that. That looks good. You can taste the chicken, all of the peas and all of the different vegetables in it. And the biscuit on top is just really set it off. Another good meal from Tia's Kitchen.